Hi, welcome to this session on goal setting. My name is Grace. I'm the student coordinator for experience-based programs for XPD, and I'm excited to share with you tips for setting goals to get the most out of your SEAM experience. So let's dive in. As part of the application process for SEAM, you will be asked to share 3 goals for the experience. XPD hopes this quick video will help you both maximize your experience and your application. XPD asks students to set goals for their SEAM experience for 2 reasons. Setting specific intentions helps you maximize your experience, reflecting on how this could help you explore majors and career choices. Creating goals also helps your SEAM mentor co-create the experience with you, planning for their conversations with you, but also identifying the other 2 professionals you'll get to meet, as well as designing the virtual site visit for you. You might be asking yourself, how do I set goals though? I've never done this before. You could use the SMART methodology. A quick review on SMART goals. The approach that was developed by George Doran and is an acronym that stands for specific, what do you want to do? For example, you might ask to specifically learn more about a technology tool your mentor uses, or seek a mentor who is working remotely who could share their insights about working from home so you can explore whether or not it's something for you. Measurable. How will you know when you've achieved it? For example, you will want to note questions to ask your mentor. You could then keep notes of your phone conversation with mentors to keep record of your conversations and answers from your mentors. Achievable. Is it in your power to accomplish? You might not be able to create change at your mentor's workplace through a virtual job shadow, so it'll be important to consider what's achievable or in your control. Realistic. Can you realistically achieve it? Similar to the achievable piece, you'll also need to keep in mind what you'll be able to tackle in 3 visits with your mentor and 2 of their peers. Perhaps you decide that rather than try to gain work experience through your conversations, you will opt to ask your mentor to review your resume and gain feedback on it. Timely. When exactly do you want to accomplish it? This could help you to set goals for each of the 3 conversations with your mentor. Maybe you'll say, after the first conversation, I will have identified at least 1 possible internship site in the marketing industry. If the SMART framework isn't helpful for you, you could ask yourself some of the following questions. These are just a few things to consider as you create a plan for what you'd like to get out of SEAM. Here are a few questions to ask yourself. 1. What are the benefits you hope to gain? Maybe you want to explore a nonprofit or for-profit, or maybe you want to meet a professional working in the marketing field, or perhaps you want to learn about technology used in government settings. 2. What can this experience teach you about using your liberal arts degree? And 3. What skills do you want to learn more about through your experience? Please refer to the handout in the application on additional questions to consider. As you consider what's right for you, you could also review past participants' goals. There are more on the full handout, but a few appear on the screen. We will go through a couple. For example, one student said, I want to learn how to effectively utilize my liberal arts degree in a work environment and learn what courses and activities I should take in college. Another student said they wanted to get an insight into the employer and organizational culture so that they could learn which work conditions they would be comfortable working in. And another student said they wanted to learn about at least 2 potential jobs or internship positions they could do after they graduate. Here are a few more great examples to consider and explore how you could incorporate them into your application. For example, another student said to get a rundown of the careers that working in a nonprofit media organization offer. Another student said, I want to be able to develop professionalism and confidence through my work experience. A different student wanted to expand their network by making connections with professionals in the workplace. And another student wanted to understand how the corporate world worked through the experience. Still feeling unsure? You can schedule an appointment with XPD career coaches or drop in to meet with our Career Ambassador staff. Whether it's help with your goals or creating a strong SEAM application, XPD is here for you. Visit Handshake or the XPD websites to schedule an appointment and find more information. Thanks for listening. Bye.